Alright guys, welcome back to another video right here. Here we have the Samsung Galaxy S6. It's still from Metro PCS. I'm going to show you what to do when your phone doesn't want to turn on, if it's on a boot loop, or it's stuck on the lightning bolt, I think. I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to give you a lot of suggestions what to do when that happens. So, I'm just gonna start already. So let's do this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold power button, home button, volume down. When the screen blacks out, you're gonna let go of them. 1, 2, let go. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't work, then we got a couple of steps more. Turn the phone back off. We're gonna press and hold. Alright, next step, we're gonna press and hold the power button, the home button, and the volume up. So hold, let go. Hopefully that works. And if it doesn't work, then we're gonna go through other steps. So we don't need this anymore. Let's unplug it. Give me 1 second. Let me. All right, I'm gonna show you another step. So basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this guy into recovery mode. So let me turn the phone off real quick. Unplug it from the laptop or the PC. So to get this thing to recovery mode, you're going to press and hold the power button, home button, and the volume up button. And let go when this pumps up. Let go. And this one is going to be easy. Alright, here we are. We're going to do, just hit reboot system now. Just press the power button. Hopefully your phone is back up and running. If it's not, we got a couple of steps. So we're going to basically wipe the cache partition. So wiping the cache partition, you're not going to lose any data on the phone. We're not doing a hard reset. The wipe partition is like temporary files. Let me turn this phone off. We're going to go back to this recovery mode. Same thing, you're going to press the power button, press and hold the power button, home button, and the volume up. Hold it until it gets to the Samsung screen. Let go. Alright. Let this load. Let this load up. Alright. Let's just load this. Alright. And once I get the Samsung Galaxy and my 4G, I don't know if holding the volume down is going to be the same thing, but we're going to try. All right, here we go. So you're going to go use the volume down button. You're going to go to wipe cache partition. Hit the power button and go to yes with the volume down and hit the power. And let's reboot system now. And hopefully it's back up and running now. If not, we got 2 more steps to go. Alright, let me turn the phone back off. Alright, what you're going to do this time, you're going to hold the power button, your home button, and the volume down button. This time you're going to hold the volume down. Instead of the up volume, you're going to hold the down volume. Power button, home button, and volume down button. Hold. So it gets to the screen. What you're going to do, you're just going to hit the volume down button. And hopefully your phone is back up and running now. If it's not, we got one last step to go. This steps are gonna be easy. Let me find if I can find a notebook. Alright. Some of these phones can have issues like with the power button. So let's skip this. A lot of these phones can have issues with the power button, like the S5, other phones, and like the S3, S4, I don't know. Let me turn this phone off. This, you can see if something's stuck on the power button, what you're gonna do, you're gonna smack it. It's called a book smack. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna smack it and go ahead and try to put your phone back up. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna smack it again, but this time smack harder. See if it works. And if it does it, then we're gonna try this. You're gonna try to push this in and out as fast as you can, really hard. This is not gonna be easy. Alright, I don't know how to do it, but just keep doing that. Keep playing with the power button. Keep going for a while, and hopefully it works. And hopefully your phone is back up and running. If this video helped you out, please give this video a like, support this channel by subscribing. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.